Interference is when 1. The team at bat interferes, obstructs, impedes, or confuses any fielder attempting to make a play. 2. A runner creates malicious contact with any fielder who is either A. with or without the ball, B. in or out of the baseline.
Batter's interference is a delayed dead ball. When there is a delayed dead ball, play continues after the infraction. 1. The ball stays live while the catcher attempts to play on a runner. 2. If an out does not occur after the catcher's throw, the ball is immediately dead. Note: if batter's interference ends without a throw from the catcher, the ball is immediately dead and the batter is out.
Batter's interference is when a batter leans over home plate and interferes with the catcher's fielding or throwing.
Play! Batter's interference! He's out!
Batter's interference is when a batter steps out of the batter's box and interferes with the catcher's fielding or throwing.
Play! That's batter's interference! We got time! I got batter's interference! You, back to first! You're out!
Batter's interference is when a batter makes any movement that interferes with the catcher's fielding or throwing, which hinders the following: 1. The actions at home plate. 2. The catcher's attempt to play on a runner.
That's batter's interference! Time! John, I got batter's interference right here. You're out. You, back to second. You, back to first.
Any movement includes follow-through interference. Note: follow-through interference happens after the swing at a pitch and the bat hits the catcher, hindering the actions at home plate or the catcher's attempt to play on a runner.
Play! That's batter's interference! We got time! I have batter's interference here at home. You, back to first. You're out.
Batter's interference is when a batter does not make a reasonable effort to vacate a congested area when there is a throw to home plate and there is time for the batter to move away. Note: on a catcher's attempt to play at third base, the batter has two options. 1. Remain still in the batter's box. 2. Clear the batter's box and avoid any interference.
Ball! Get down! That's interference! Batter's interference! You're out!
Important: you must know the following penalties in order to rule correctly after batter's interference takes place. Penalties following batter's interference. 1. With 2 outs, the batter is always out. 2. When the attempt to put out the runner at any base is not successful except at home. A. The batter is out. B. All runners must return to bases occupied at the time of the pitch.
That's batter's interference! Time! John, I got batter's interference right here. You're out. You, back to second. You, back to first.
3. When a runner is thrown out attempting to steal, the batter's interference is ignored. Note 1. If the out is the third out, the batter returns to bat their next half inning. Note 2. When multiple runners are stealing and one is put out, all other runners' advances stand.
Play! That's batter's interference! He's out!
4. With less than 2 outs, if a runner is advancing home and is tagged out, the ball remains live and the batter's interference is ignored. Note: if the out is a third out, the batter returns to bat their next half inning. 5. With less than 2 outs and the runner advancing home is not tagged out, the ball is dead and the runner is called out.
Hey! That's batter's interference! Time! You're out!
Note: when there are 2 outs, the batter is out and the run does not score. 6. If the pitch is a third strike and the batter's interference prevented a double play, 2 outs can be ruled.